So let's get started. Okay, so we have cheddar cheese and mozzarella, and this one is, let me see, I guess, yes, plain parathas for sahari, of course. And we have chicken nuggets, they are yum, and some chocolates. Again, these are chocolates, yes, up there, chocolates, all over chocolates. Okay, so tender pops, Cannon's tender pops. We have chicken nuggets. I love to have them. Okay, now chicken samosas, chicken spring rolls. Up there we have again cheddar cheese, samosa leaves. They are very important, especially for iftar. We have some eggs, and these are the jams. This one is apple, and this one is a mango jam, and the creams. These are the fruit cans, and this one is tomato paste. We have fried onion, and this one is barbecue sauce. Mayonnaise, Young's mayonnaise, chili, garlic, and tomato, and of course the sauces, vinegar.